Alright, I should have a delivery or two today. I don't know if it's actually for this channel. Hopefully it is the thing I ordered almost a month ago. Yeah. If UPS will get here, quick. I'm a CF anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Actually, a cup of coffee, actually. I did my usual. Anyway, there's a little bit like that much. Okay. Come on, UPS, before 3. Before it freaking gets more rainy. I drink this anyway. So yeah. I'm hoping the one, like, I know there's a delivery today, because the person who actually checks up on my orders said there is. I don't have time for bullcrap, so. For cook bullcrap McGee. So, yeah. Anyway.